In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cut a video or part of a video in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I have here a video on my timeline and I've added it on my first video track here. And I'd like to go ahead and cut part of this video. So the only thing you need to do is to go ahead and identify the location or the spot where you want to cut. Then go over to this sign, cut, and then click on it, and this will split this track into two. If you further need to cut, you can also go ahead and identify the other location, for instance there, and then go ahead and just click on these scissors, and that will cut that part. So I want to eliminate or to delete this part and remain with the others. So just go ahead and click on the part that you want to delete, and then using the backspace you can delete it, and that will be it. So that's how you can cut part of a video clip in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.